Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Fosi Audio MC331 tube integrated amplifier and their accompanying banana plugs. This isn't just another amp. It's an all-in-one solution for audiophiles seeking a blend of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality. The MC331 combines a DAC, amplifier, preamplifier, and headphone amplifier into a single unit. This eliminates the need for multiple devices, simplifying your setup and reducing cable clutter. The remote control makes switching between audio sources effortless, ensuring a seamless listening experience. Visually, the MC331 is striking. The 5654W vacuum tubes and VU meter create a warm, retro aesthetic that complements any listening space. It's not just about looks. The tubes also contribute to the sound, adding a touch of warmth and smoothness that many listeners find appealing. The MC331 offers a wide range of connectivity options, including Bluetooth, USB, coaxial, optical, and RCA inputs. This versatility allows you to connect various sources, such as computers, phones, CD players, and turntables with built-in phono preamps. Whether you're streaming music wirelessly or spinning vinyl, the MC331 has you covered. Now let's talk about the banana plugs. These 24K gold-plated connectors offer excellent electrical conductivity and a secure connection for your speakers. They not only improve the appearance of your setup, but also provide a reliable, high-quality connection that minimizes signal loss. The Fosi Audio MC331 is a versatile and visually appealing amplifier that combines vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. Its all-in-one design, wide range of connectivity options, and warm tube sound make it an excellent choice for audiophiles seeking a high-quality listening experience. The included banana plugs are a nice touch, providing a secure and attractive connection for your speakers.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.